Hello, my oil friends. My name is Caroline Lee. I'm a diamond wellness advocate with doTERRA, and I wanted to share with you some uses of frankincense. This month, it's got amazing promo of 200 PB. Order, you get a 15 ml bottle of frankincense, and that frankincense typically comes in two different forms from doTERRA. You have the roller and the 15 ml. So whether you like the dropper from this or the roller, you've got great options when it comes to using frankincense. Now, frankincense is often referred to as the king of essential oils because of some of the powerful healing benefits they have. So frankincense is known to support healthier cellular function, promote relaxation and balance mood, boost your immune system and your respiratory system, and support and soothe your skin. So that is a lot of different ways that you could use frankincense. So today I want to give you 3 practical ways to use your frankincense. So the first one that you can use is just taking your frankincense and putting a drop underneath your tongue morning and night. This is going to help with your mood. It's also going to help with cellular function, promote relaxation. So it's going to hit a lot of those. I'm just going to show you how easy it is. They have this little dropper here, and I'm just going to hold it right here. All right. Now, it's kind of strong and it tastes like a woody tree, but I like doing it under my tongue. It's not as strong, and so if you want to follow that up with water, it helps a lot. If you don't like the taste, then by all means do it in a veggie cap. The second way that you can use frankincense is with a facial moisturizer. So I like to add some extra oils to my moisturizer, and I just put the lotion in my hands, and I get the oil and I'll drop 1 or 2 drops in it, mix it in my hand, and then I'll apply it on my face. Okay, so you can do that. And again, it's got some super soothing and healing properties when it comes to helping your skin be healthy and smooth. So definitely trying to stay compliant there. But just know that we've had a lot of success with frankincense when it comes to healing and repairing the skin. So this is definitely good for those fine features that you have in your face as you get older. So apply it to your facial moisturizer. And number 3, you can apply it over your heart when you feel a little anxious. So this is one of the best ways that I do to kind of calm my nerves. Put it over my heart. This is where my feeling center's in. Sometimes I like to put it over my forehead. Again, that will help calm things down. So whether my mind is racing a mile a minute or I've got the negative thoughts that are going on, this kind of gives me self-love. It helps with relaxation. It helps balance things. But definitely, I love this. So you have drop under the tongue morning and night for cellular health. Facial moisturizer to help smooth your skin, and apply over your heart when you feel anxious. All right, take care. We'll see you tomorrow.